This is day 4. We are in Roatan, Honduras.
Alright. This is Honduras.
We don't really have much planned today. We're just going to walk around the port. And I think that's about it. We'll walk around for a little bit and then get back on the ship. But we will take you along with us and show you what we see. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Alright, where are we going, love?
We are in Honduras, Roatan, Honduras. So we're just going to walk around the port today.
There's our big behemoth. Not a very far pier walk today. We're just going to kind of explore here. We'll try to maybe get her to go over to the little restaurant across the street maybe. And we do see a sign that says $3 margaritas over there. So we'll see.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This way. Ooh, Wi-Fi. Want to sit down and have a cup of coffee on the way back and tell everybody we're okay? You want to get your feet ate again? All right, we're kind of outside the fort here. Is anything? How you doing? Just, yeah, just we're gonna walk around a little bit. Yeah. Thank you. I want to go in that store on the way back. Is there any way you'd want to rent a motorcycle?
Welcome to the island, transportation.
We're okay.
The island is beautiful in the car. The big one island.
Yeah.
That way is downtown, Foxy Hall.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk around.
Maybe one tour or go in the beach. The beach is beautiful. That one is the beach. West Bay Beach is VIP.
Yeah.
Book rate, local rate, $30 the transportation. Free Wi-Fi for my car. My name is Angel.
We're good. Thank you, Angels. Nice to meet you.
Happy good day. Good bless.
You too. Thank you. Is that vanilla? Ooh, you want a mango or a banana? Hello, Bubba. Hello. Guys, how you doing?
I'm fine. Are you not
Good. We're just kind of walking around right now.
everything here is definitely cool, Larry. Where you from?
From South Carolina.
Welcome. I go. My sister married in Miami.
Oh, really?
From
Okay.
in your-
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
from
we-
her.
yeah,
My father like she color.
Yeah.
And my mother like color. They
Yeah.
call me mulatto. You could walk further up. Yeah, in the center. Yeah, you could take good picture and see the school, the church, the park, the pharmacy, and all that.
Yeah. We're just gonna walk up a little bit and come back. That's all.
Trying to be friendly, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, me. Yeah.
Yeah, this is what we do for a living. Everybody know me here. My name is Gaspet. Yeah, already vaccine.
Yeah.
That's why I don't got a mouth because already vaccine. 3
Yeah.
vaccine.
Wow.
Yeah, right here we don't got no problem, you know. We are around salt water. Yeah, when you've been that's the Mina over there. See, you could take picture over there. That's
Yeah.
Honduras. That's Honduras over there. First time you've been in Honduras?
No, we've been there before.
Yeah, but maybe a long time ago.
Yeah, it's been a few years.
Let's try to walk on the sidewalk. You know why? Because we got 4 cruise up today. We
Yeah.
got the Carnival company too.
Yeah, down. We saw the one down there.
Yeah, that one maybe you come on the Carnival last time. You got a nice restaurant here too. Where you from? You gotta be from some Caribbean or where you from?
No.
I'm from the U.S. From the U.S. They call me mulatto. I could talk a little bit of Spanish too.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Everybody know me. I born and raised there, 1977.
77.
Yeah, look at my hair. It's getting white already.
Yeah, I'm 63, so.
Hey,
Not-
you old man. You could be my father too.
Yeah. Well, you're born in 1963.
Huh?
I was born in 1963.
Oh, you were born in 1993.
Yeah.
You're older than me, huh? The big supermarket is over there. And there's a big restaurant too. They call it the Loco. Good black people from there. They work on the show. Yeah. You see that tree there? It's better to take a picture of the tree. You know what we call it? That's the famous noni. That good for cancer. That good for any sickness.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and this is a nice restaurant
You
here.
want to go in
too.
here and have a beer?
Yeah, this is a nice restaurant, but here too, you want to see the supermarket? Just like 7 minutes walk. Yeah, Daddy, don't be afraid,
No.
man.
Oh, I'm not afraid. I just don't know what we're going to do.
Anything special that you want to do, don't be afraid to ask Papa.
Do you want to go in and have a beer?
Up there in the supermarket, we could get the beer more cheaper.
Want to turn around? Alright, where are we left? A little place in Honduras, a little cafe, stopping off for a beer. Cool place. Right here on the water.
Welcome to Roatan Restaurant, guys. My name is Melanie.
Here's our room, I see it.